Welcome again to Simple Ways for Google Sheets, Apps, Scripts, and others Google applications. Today we are going to explore a very important topic from the Google Sheets, which is the format of the date. So how you want your date to look. It differs between different countries, different regions, how the format of the date looks and how it is suitable for you, also for your team, also how it is visually good and appealing to you. In the previous video, we had understood that Google sees the date as a number starting from 30th of December 1899. So today we are going to see more about how to format the date so it looks like exactly as you like. If you remember, in the previous video I had seen how to convert a date to or a number to a date and a date to a number, because that's how Google understands them, and then how to make subtraction for the dates to get the difference between two dates, which is a very important topic while working with dates and data and so on. Also, just to refresh our minds, we can make some addition for this. So if I selected this date plus this date and then I press enter, it converts them into a number and then adds them together. So that's an addition. This date plus, and then I press enter. Simple addition, because it's a number to Google. So now today, if I need to, for example, I come to this cell and I ask him to format this cell as a number. No, I will select format it as a date. That's the default date. It's the first digit. The default is the month, then it is followed by the day, and then followed by the year. So I ask it Google to format this cell as a date. So when it is formatted as a date, if you double click on it and then you start writing a date, for example, I will write 12, okay, December 1999, and then I press enter. You can see that it is converted into a date in the format. So if it is not December, so simply I will make it other way around. So it's 12, for example, Jan 1099. So press enter. So you can see that one, which is the Jan, the month, comes in the beginning, and then the day. So what if I need to change this format? I need to make it in something special for me, that I need to understand it. If you come back to format, number, and then you select date here, that's the default format. If you go down a little bit, you can see that there are some custom date and time. If you click on it, you can find a wealth of dates that is already pre-prepared for you with different orientations, and it's for the time also, and so on, and mixes between date and time and days and so on. If all this you don't like, so you can select any one of them. For example, I will select this one, okay, and then I will say apply. You can see that the date format has already changed it to what you like. You can go again, number, custom date and time. I will select something from down, a little bit down, from while the day and the month and the date and so on, and then I will ask to apply. So it's already changed. You can double click here to expand your cell, and then you can see now the date. It was Tuesday, January 12, and it was 1999. Okay, so what if you like to generate your own custom date format, or how it looks like? So you will go back again to format, number, then custom dates. Just scroll back if you don't see it, custom date and time, and then here, this area, you can see that you can think that this area is solid. No, this area is very let's just say it's very flexible. So simply I will delete everything, okay, and then you can add whatever you like. If you just drop down menu here, you can find day, month, and year, and time, and then duration. So let's start with for example, the day. When you select the day, then after the day you have options here. You click here. The day can start with a number. It's number with 05, or the day as a name, abbreviated, Tuesday, or the day as a full name. So if you had selected the day as a full name, okay, then you have the option to add here. If you come here, you can add anything. So I will select, for example, I will select and. Okay, so you can put anything in here. It's not a problem. Then you select to add something else. So you can select the day again and put, for example, you need it as 05. Okay, so Tuesday 05. And then you can come here and you can put any other sign. So I'm just making it to be creative, think whatever you like. So I'll put anything else, and then I'll select after that the year. Okay, and that's how the year is formatted. It's sorry, the year is coming Okay, you can select it from here. That is a short 2-digit year or a full digit year, so I'll select it as a 2-digit year, for example. And then I will come here. You can add whatever you like. Add. Okay, and then after that you can add hours, minutes. It'll give you the date. For example, if you go back to the months, and then you can come here, you can see the months come as August or August complete, abbreviated, or as a letter, or as 2 digits. For example, I'll select it like this, and then I say apply. Now you can see that it's already formatted exactly as you like. It was Tuesday. The separation is coming here in whatever code or letters you like it, and then coming the day, which is the 12th day, and then coming the day as a number, which is 2-digit number, and then coming the separation with percentage, and then coming the year as 2 digits, and then coming other separation, and then coming the month as the first letter of the month. So like this, you can create a wealth of date format depending on what you like. So if you don't like what Google had prepared for you originally, you can be creative and create whatever format you like. And you can change Google formats as you like. So I hope this was a quick but a deep information that you will like it. It will make your life easy with the format you like it. You like the day first, the month, the name, and whatever. So we had a wealth of information about this in our trainings, and we can offer it into our services in Fiverr. You will find all these links in the description box of this video. Join the channel, subscribe, spread the information, join our trainings for more insight and for wealth of information. See our previous videos and ask for special customized services through Fiverr if you like. See you in coming videos with more insights from Google Sheets for apps, scripts, sheets, and other Google services.